Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Excel tutorial, we are going to learn how you can change the text to uppercase, lowercase or proper case in Excel. So there are multiple ways that I'm going to cover. There are some functions available already within Excel that will help you to do it. And if you do not want to use functions, what are the ways to quickly change the text format to uppercase, lowercase or proper case? Now, this scenario occurs a lot. Many times when you get the data is not formatted correctly, or you want to change the text to uppercase, lowercase or proper case depending on the data type. And there might be some improper data which has lots of spaces. Say for example here, if you see, right? So this data is there is uppercase, lowercase. It is not in proper case at all, right? So there are names, but then the names are not in proper format. So how we can quickly change it to uppercase, lowercase, etc. And if there are certain spaces within the sentences, then how we can remove the unnecessary spaces, all of that we are going to learn in this tutorial. Okay, so first thing, quickly, say for example, I want to convert this text or the name here into the uppercase, right? So with the formula, it is very simple. So just start with equal to and just start typing in upper, right? So upper is the formula there in Excel that will help you to convert a string to all uppercase characters, right? So simply choose that and it just accepts the text that you want to convert to uppercase, right? So this is the text that I want to choose. So simply select the cell where your text is or type in the cell number here, close the bracket, and boom, your text has been changed to uppercase, right? Now simply hover over in the right hand side corner of this cell. You will see this plus icon appearing, the black dark icon. Simply drag and drop and this formula is getting copied to all of the cells, and all of the names that are there here are being changed to the uppercase, right? How you are going to do the lowercase? Similar to uppercase, we have lower formula as well, which converts all letters and in the text string to a lowercase, right? So simply select that formula, select the cell which you want to convert to lowercase, close the bracket, hit enter, and you will see all of the name or the text there within the name cell has been changed to the lowercase, right? Hover on the right hand side of this cell. When the plus sign appears, drag and drop to all the cells where you want to copy this formula, right? And all of the values have been converted to lowercase. Now, what is the proper case? So proper case is basically converting the first character of each word as uppercase and rest as lowercase, right? So let's quickly see what is the formula for that. So start with equal to, start typing proper. Okay, so proper is the formula which will help you to, if I select that, okay, before that I'll show you the hint here. So proper converts a text string to proper case. The first letter in each word is uppercase and all other letters to lowercase, right? So only the first letter changes to uppercase. So select the cell which contains the text, close the bracket, and you will see now the name is in the proper case, which is most likely the case for with the names that we want the names in the proper case, not in the format that you see on the screen, right? So simply hover over the first cell and drag and drop wherever till the cell where you want this proper case to apply, right? So this is basically how you are going to quickly convert your text to uppercase, lowercase and proper case with the formulas. Now say for example, I don't want to use formulas in Excel, okay? So I just want to find some other way to do it. So I have removed all the formulas there. Now if I want to change this name to uppercase, what I'll do is just start typing in first value. If you know that there is some pattern here that can be recognized by Excel, so we know that these are the names, right? So I will start typing in first value as uppercase and that's it, right? So say for example, this is one of the pattern. And now if I simply hover on the right hand side of this cell, when the plus appears, I drag and drop to all the cells here. And in this tooltip here, you will see that autofill options. If I click on the drop down, there is an option of flash fill, right? So if I click on flash fill, it automatically detects that the first value that I typed in was the uppercase, and with the flash fill, it has identified all the values in the left hand side and figured out that yes, with flash fill, this is the pattern that I have to make sure for all of the values, and you will see all of them got converted into the uppercase, right? Similar thing you can do with the lowercase and proper case. So for example, I type in lowercase here, the first name, right, and then hover over in the right hand side, drag and drop, and then click on this tooltip here in the autofill option, click on flash fill, and you will see all of the names have been selected here as the lowercase, right, without formulas. So there are no formulas at all. Okay, now if I want to choose the proper case or start with the proper case, then I simply start typing in the first name, right, and then hover over in the right and drag and drop, and then select and flash fill. Now all of the values are being converted into the proper case. Okay, so this is how you are going to do without the formulas. Now the other important thing I want to cover with this text is, let me remove all of these here. Okay, now many times you will be having some text which is not formatted correctly. There are, say for example, some spaces there, and you want to clean that up, right? So you want to remove the unnecessary spaces that are there within the text that you have received, and then make it look proper, right? So if I put some spaces there, so you know that this is not something which will look very pretty. Okay, so the text is just junk text as of now, but there are many spaces there. So how we can go ahead and remove all of these spaces and make our text proper? Okay, so there is a function trim as well, right? So if you just start with equal to trim, you will see it removes all spaces from a text string except for single space between words. Okay, so between words there will definitely be one space that won't be removed, but any extra spaces between words will get removed, right? So if I simply use this formula, I just have to provide the text, right, or the cell which contains the text, close the formula, and you will see now the text has been, or the whole text here is properly spaced. So the words are spaced properly. There is only one space between the words that you see now, right? So now I can simply drag and drop and copy this formula in all other cells here, and you will see now all the extra spaces have been removed, right? So this is how you are going to trim the text and remove the extra spaces between the words from your text. Okay, so that's basically how you are going to work with the text within Excel to change it to the uppercase, lowercase, or proper case, or if there are extra spaces, you can use trim function and remove the extra spaces between the words within Excel. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.